In this video, I'll show you how to adjust margins in a PDF document. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the I Love PDF website. Once the site loads, click on the Crop PDF tool. Now, click on Select PDF File and upload the document you want to edit. After uploading, you'll see your PDF pages on the screen. Here, you can adjust the margins by dragging the edges of the page. You can crop from the top, bottom, left, or right to set your desired margins. You can also apply the same margins to all pages if needed. Once you're satisfied, click on Crop PDF. Wait a few seconds while the tool processes your file. After that, click on Download to save your updated PDF. And that's it. That's how you can easily adjust margins in a PDF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.